What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, how to fix this error. And here is the error NW-102254-4. An error has occurred while connecting to the PlayStation network. So the network problem, simply the server or a network. So I'm just going to share a screen on my left side. Here we are at the screen. So here we are at the screen and go settings, and there is the system and network. You must check the user and accounts, your PSN account is signed in or not. Simply check it here, sign in ID, and you just sign in and go to the others. You can restore the license. Sometimes you're having a problem because of the license, your PSN is not connected, and you just go to the network. Here's a network view, PlayStation network service. You must check the server. Sometimes the server is down when you're working on the updates or undergoing maintenance. If you get the red option here, one of them, there's all green. You just wait, Sony will fix this up automatically. If you get the green, all is that you just test your internet connection, because your internet connection, local internet, is not working. Contact with the internet provider. You can change the DNS settings by manually DNS, secondary DNS, primary DNS. You just search it which one is good, working good in your country and region. Your PSN account have a region. So put it back there and connect with the new connections. MTU setting, you can change it. Simply that's how you can fix this connection problem or a server problem, PlayStation network. So if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.